Hi, I'm Dr. Patel. I'm a cosmetic dentist here in Austin, Texas, and I was going to answer a question that we get often, and the question is, well, what do you do with if you want to improve your smile and you have peg lateral teeth? So let's talk about it. So the term peg laterals is used to describe the teeth on either side of the central teeth or on either side of the front two teeth that have developed abnormally small. And so peg lateral teeth will often look like baby teeth even though they're adult teeth, and they usually will look either like a cylinder or a cone. And so when someone has these peg lateral teeth, it looks like they just have very small teeth next to their proportionally larger adult front two teeth. So you can see in a smile like this, it makes the front two teeth look extremely large in comparison to the smaller, abnormally smaller lateral teeth next to them. So oftentimes when people are born with peg lateral teeth, they'll go through braces and often have bondings placed in order to improve the shape and size of those lateral teeth. So in this case, you can see how they had some bonding that's just discolored over time in order to improve the shape of that tooth. So if someone has peg lateral teeth, again, usually it's discovered when they're getting their adult teeth, and so as a teenager, oftentimes people with peg lateral teeth will go through braces and often have bondings done in order to improve the size and shape. But as that individual reaches adulthood, we often start to talk about other options that are more permanent. So other options for peg lateral teeth could be composite veneers or even porcelain veneers, again, because we're trying to change the size and shape of that tooth. So here's that same smile in which we ended up doing porcelain veneers on the top row of teeth in order to improve the size, shape, and color, not just of those peg lateral incisors, but to improve the whole smile overall. So in this photo, you can see how we used porcelain veneers in order to improve the size and shape and color of, again, not just those peg lateral teeth on either side of the front two teeth, but in order to improve the entire smile, and again, to transform the whole smile. So when we compare these two smiles, again, the smile with the peg laterals, and again, some other discrepancies in the smile, and then we've used veneers in order to perfect the smile, you can see how the smile ends up looking, for an adult, the smile ends up looking a little bit more juvenile, and then we have a more mature smile on the right side. So you can see how, again, in this case, we use porcelain veneers in order to improve the peg lateral situation in this person's smile, as well as improving the smile on the teeth around those peg laterals as well.